Hey mate, yeah, it's Matty here. The XA is ready to come in, ready for all the bodywork to get done. I've had enough of the rust, I just want the bodywork done. You're full up for the next 18 months. You're 12 months behind already. It's quicker for me to learn how to do it and do it in that time than it would be for you to do it. I mean, I like to think I've got a lot of experience in rust repairs now, but this is some serious shit. You reckon I can do it? What other option do I have? Well, I was hoping I'd have the option of having an expert do it, but now I guess I've got to fix it myself, source some panels and have at it then, eh? Yeah, no worries. I guess I'll get to it. God damn it. So, panel beater isn't available for another 18 months. It says he's 12 months behind on his projects already. So, I guess I can't really just yeet this off to someone else to let it be their issue. I guess I've got to do it myself. I mean, really, I've been welding for the past 2 years on all this other shit, so how hard can body panels be?
Yes, how hard can body panels be? Says the guy that's never actually done body panels in his life. So the next step is to go around the car and find out what I need to replace. What panels can I buy and what needs to be made up from scratch.
Hey, whoa. I never agreed to voiceovers.
Yeah, but
This is all me, baby.
it's a whole lot more interesting if I just do a voiceover and just show footage of what I'm talking about, instead of constantly looking at you while you
Well,
talk.
I mean, I've just got to sort out what panels I need and what needs to be repaired. You don't need to do a voiceover for that. What are you going to play over the top of me?
No, funny you ask that. Anyways, so this is the C-pillar area where you can see it's sort of rusted out at the bottom. I'm going to need to create plates from scratch just for this area, which will be one of the easier ones to do. So not too concerned about that. Main concern for me is this roof section, or this rain gutter on the roof, because it is totally destroyed. There's mixes of silicon and other random shit and bog that they've used in there, especially on this rear window area. It's totally eaten away. It's just squares of tin that have been bent and brazed into place, not even welded, with a mixture of fiberglass and bog. So this roof section is a huge concern. I was really hoping I'd be able to pay someone else to do that for me. But over on this section, another couple of flat areas that I can do quite easily. The next step is to just get rid of this paint and see what's hidden underneath, just so I know exactly what to buy and what I can make myself. So let's get the paint stripper out. So we're giving the paint a bit of a sand down just to create some little crevices for the paint stripper to work its way into the paint. Just makes it a little bit easier for it to lift the paint off of the surface. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work with the amount of bog that's underneath it, so I'm just giving it a bit of a run. But here's a pro tip when using a paint stripper. It burns like hell. So if you spill some on your leg, don't grab a rag that has paint stripper on it to try and wipe it off. Because as you can see here, it was a bit of a futile attempt at trying to clean my leg. I grabbed a spill pad and that didn't do anything but spread it more over my leg. And you can see the precise moment where I started to panic. Back again with long pants for obvious reasons. The next step is to wrap it up in plastic and keep the paint stripper to the body, stop the oxygen from getting to it and drying it out, and basically just help it lift the paint off of the body.
So, I'm going to use plastic to...
Yeah, I've already explained it. Alright then, back to it.
Fine.
And it was right around this point when I saw that the thinnest paint on the car was barely being scratched by the paint stripper. I knew that this was going to take quite a while. So I decided to go home and just have a look at the panels that I knew that I needed, rather than waiting to find hidden stuff.
And now we're back here. So while the paint gets ripped off, or so I hope I just don't go back there and the paint's come off and it's just the bog still sitting there. I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. So
while we're waiting for that to inevitably happen, I'm going to check out exactly what repair panels I need. Gone over the car. To be honest, it's not that much. Like, it looked bad as it is, but then once I actually went around and said I need this, this, and this, it didn't seem too bad. The massive thing for me is the roof, the rear window section, and the rain gutters, which somehow I've been able to solve through sheer luck. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so we're on Astil Designs Facebook page. You go over into the photos area and they've got an entire album of X-Series replacement panels. This is where I've gotten everything I've used so far. So in regards to the plenum and the plenum hats, I've gotten from Howard here at Astil Design. So through here, I've been able to get a hold of the right-hand side floor seat mount, which, like on all X-Series Falcons, was totally destroyed. So, need to replace that. So I've grabbed one of these. Obviously, the lower rear quarters for both sides, I've secured those, and the lower door sections, which, again, like on all X-Series Falcons, the lower doors just rust out completely. And then jumping over to eBay here, I've gotten the door-to-wheel arc section, which in the footage beforehand, it was pretty much entirely missing on the left-hand side. So I've secured 2 of those. And this is what I was talking about with the roof. I'm not sure how, but this popped up for sale right as I was looking for it, or looking for an answer for the roof situation. It's a new old stock roof skin and has been sitting its entire life. So it's just got some surface rust on it. It is exactly what I need. It's going to fix the gutter areas, the rear windows, and just everything else. So I've bitten the bullet. I've picked this up, and that's on its way here right now. So not only is this a pretty cool find, but it is definitely going to be interesting to put this on and attach this. I don't think I've ever seen anyone do that before, and there's definitely no video footage of it happening. So we'll go through this together.
Okay, it's the next day. We've just rocked up. I'm ready to rip off the plastic and just see the bare metal, you know, underneath. Hey, you ready? I waited all night for that. Now I know it's sort of come down and it went off, but I'm gonna need something else. Hey mate, I've got an XA Falcon I need blasted here. No, you have space. You can do it. Well, with that sorted, that was 10 times easier than trying to mess around with paint stripper and wait a day and then scrape it off. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I've taken the hard route, this whole build. I'm trying to do it myself, doing all that sort of stuff. I'm just gonna trailer it. It's going off to the blasters. It's gonna get blasted, epoxy coated. Then I'll come back. Then we're gonna put that fancy new roof on. And the quarter panels and all the other bits and bobs that I was able to order. Just put it up on the hoist, just to double check. Just to double check there wasn't anything else that I needed, and there's not. The right hand side seat support rail on the underneath, that's totally cooked. So I've ordered that, that's coming. And the rest of it, I'm just gonna blast. I've got a little sandblaster from Bunnings that I might hit the underneath of this with. I'll wire wheel it first. If there's any other little spots in there, I'll get a little portable sandblaster in there and do my own little sandblasting jobby. But I'm not doing that just yet, because then I've got to set it up, I've got to do all that. I've just got a text message saying that my Castlemaine rod shop order has been delivered, and we've got to go see if they send us any bloody stickers and a set of brakes and whatnot, but stickers first and foremost.
A few moments later.
It's here. Ooh, baby, baby, baby. That's a good looking box. And straight off the bat, straight away, that's what I like to see. Stickers. Stickers galore. Look at that. Some more bolts. A couple more bolts. This is what we came for. So what color did I get? Eh? Did I get the red? Did I get the black? The car's going to be black and matte grey, or matte grey with black accents. That's the colour theme of the car. So, of course, I've gone with the red calipers. You can't go past red calipers. I mean, if you have black calipers, it just looks too much like a standard caliper. And more stickers. What's the sticker count now? Whoa. Isn't that just horn? Look at that. Baby. More stickers! We're up to 26 stickers so far. This is the hub. 34 stickers at the moment. Look at that, eh? That's just a good looking hub. I can't remember, was it 32? 40 stickers so far. Holy shit. No stickers, would you believe? How good does that look? That's gonna match the theme of the car. That's gonna match the car at the moment. I mean, it's all black. Obviously, once you start braking, it's going to wear it down to the silver surface underneath. But for now, whilst it's a part of the Furniture Car Club, it's just got to look good static. So there we are. I think I can't remember how many stickers we got to, 40 or 38 or 46 or something. There's a sticker counter somewhere around here, probably there. Doesn't it just make you happy getting fresh parts? Fresh performance parts. But look, let's mock a disc up and we'll just see what it looks like, because I just want to do that. How good's that gonna look, eh? Just sitting there, not doing anything. Not braking, not moving around. It's just gonna be a nice black disc with the Red Rotor. How sick does that look? And then once it actually brakes and the disc turns silver, it'll probably look less cool, but as it is, that's cool as shit. Alright, so that's that. I've got some more stuff on its way, but this shall tie us over until then. I'm just waiting to hear back from the sandblaster of when he's able to take the ute, so it might be within the next month. And I've just started setting it up on the hoist to finish off the underbody and spray the underbody. I've got to get the deadener onto the underbody, so the underbody looks brand new. So I'm probably going to smash that out tomorrow, but I'll upload this episode how it is. Not too much progress. We found out that paint stripper is a shit job and just get someone else to do it, so that was pretty good. And we saw the new parts, so who knows how well tomorrow might go. I might get the underbody done, but we'll call it there. Thank you for watching. Click the like button. If you like the look of these brakes, click the like button right now. If you like that, if you like the look of that, click the like button right now. Look at that. Isn't that just bloody, oof. Stop it. Hey? Click the like button and the subscribe button. Actually, that's what the red's for. Red's for